A procedure known as libation treatment that involves the opening of veins does not improve outcomes for multiple sclerosis patients, according to researchers from the University at Buffalo. In some cases, patients ended up with a worsening of symptoms. Chronic cerebrospinal venous insufficiency is a condition involving obstruction of the veins that drain the brain and spinal cord. According to research, this condition is common among individuals with multiple sclerosis. The researchers believe that if veins in the neck and chest are not able to drain the brain properly, there could eventually be injury to brain tissue. Experts believe that angioplasty, a treatment commonly used by cardiologists and endovascular surgeons to treat atherosclerosis, could unblock the veins. Lead author Dr. Adnan Siddiqui claims that what they discovered was completely opposite to what experts had expected. Endovascular treatments for narrowed veins had no effect on multiple sclerosis patients. The trial involved 30 patients, all of them with multiple sclerosis. The trial had 2 phases. Phase 1 was a safety trial involving 10 patients, and Phase 2 included 20 patients that were randomly selected to either receive endovascular intervention or placebo. The researchers discovered that between those individuals who received angioplasty and the placebo group, there was no difference in clinical symptoms, brain lesions, and quality of life. Dr. Siddiqui concluded that these findings lead us to caution strongly against the general acceptance of this invasive procedure for multiple sclerosis patients.